Welcome to ETE MCQs. Now let us solve the NPTEL assignment problem. Consider x of s is equal to s squared plus s divided by s plus 2 the whole squared into s plus 4. So we are given with x of s is equal to s squared plus s divided by s plus 2 the whole squared into s plus 4. So this is given for us with ROC real part of s less than minus 4, which means that x of t completely should be a left-sided sequence because you have a less than sign. If you have a less than sign completely dominating in your ROC, it means that x of t should be a left-sided sequence. That is a small hint. X of t should definitely be a any term. In this case, probably the order of the system is 3. You will have 3 terms. All the 3 terms should be a left-sided sequence. Whereas the corresponding inverse Laplace transform is actually the corresponding inverse Laplace transform is nothing but x of t, which will be given as, let us just mention it here, x of t, which is equal to, so which is the solution, which is going to be the x of t. Since the less than sign is dominating, all the terms you have in the solution x of t should be a left-sided sequence. So A, all the 3 terms is a left-sided. In B also, all the 3 terms are left-sided. Whereas in C, you have one right-sided sequence. So this cannot be the solution. This cannot be the solution. Likewise, in D, you have a left-sided sequence. You have a right-sided sequence. So in C, you have a right-sided sequence, and in D, you have a right-sided sequence. The first term in C is a right-sided sequence, U of t, and the third term in D, option D, is again a right-sided sequence. Again, this is also incorrect. So these two cannot be your solution. C and D cannot be your solution. It should be either A or B. Based on method of partial fraction, we can write this s squared plus s divided by s plus 2 the whole squared into s plus 4 can be written as a divided by s plus 2 plus b divided by s plus 2 the whole squared plus c divided by s plus 4. So rewriting it, the LCM gets cancelled out after I take the LCM. So let me just ignore it. You will have s squared plus s is equal to a into s plus 2 into s plus 4. This term s plus 4 plus b into, you will be having only s plus 4. s plus 4 plus c into s plus 2 the whole square. S plus 2 the whole square. If I substitute s is equal to minus 2, I'll be able to get b. And when s is equal to minus 4, I'll be able to get c. Later I can equate the s squared coefficient so that it becomes easy for us to find the, or s is equal to 0 is again an equally good option. Okay, so to find the arbitrary constants, to find a, b and c, let s is equal to minus 2. You just substitute it in this, call it as equation number 1. Let s is equal to 2 in minus 2 in 1, so that you get minus 2 the whole squared minus 2, which is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2, this term becomes 0, plus b into minus 2 plus 4 plus again c into minus 2 plus 2 the whole squared is 0 squared. So finally we get 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to b into minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So 2 is equal to 2b, which implies b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 is the first arbitrary constant we have identified. Next, let s is equal to minus 4. Again in 1, you just substitute it in 1. When s is equal to minus 4, you get minus 4 the whole squared minus 4 is equal to a into minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 4 for the second term, if I substitute, I get 0 plus b into, when I substitute s is equal to minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0 plus c into minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 the whole square. So this is minus 4 squared is 16, 16 minus 4 is 12. So we get 12 is equal to, here it is a into 0, this term becomes 0, b into 0, this also becomes 0, I have c into 4, minus 2, the whole squared is 4, which implies c is equal to 3. So b and c are identified. We are supposed to find a. And we already know that c and d cannot appear at the output because both of which has got a right-sided sequence, as I said already. So let me just remove the c and d so that I'll get additional space for finding the solution. Let s is equal to 0 in 1. When you do that, you get 0 squared plus 0 is equal to, here I'll get a into 2 into 4 plus b into 4, because s is equal, we have s plus 4. When s is equal to 0, you will have b into 4 plus c into 2 squared. 0 is equal to 8a plus 4b plus 4c. Now what is b and c? Substitute b and c. Upon substitution of b and c, you get 8a plus 4 into b is 1 plus c is 3. So you get 4 into 3. Altogether it is 16. So 4 plus 12 is 16. I take the 16 to the other side. I get minus 16 is equal to 8a, which implies a is equal to minus 2. Minus 16 by 8 is nothing but minus 2. So we have got a, b and c. Now you can substitute a, b and c in this particular, let me call this as, in the partial fraction. If I just substitute it here, you can notice that in partial fraction we get x of s is equal to a is minus 2 divided by s plus 2 and b is 1 plus 1 divided by s plus 2 the whole squared and c is 3 plus 3 divided by s plus 4. So this is what we have for x of s. And moreover, we want the inverse to satisfy this ROC condition. It should comfortably satisfy this ROC condition. So all the three inverse should correspond to a left-sided sequence. Okay, so let us see the formulas of Laplace transform that are associated with left-sided sequence. It is Laplace transform of minus e power minus at into u of minus t. This is completely a left-sided sequence whose Laplace transform is given by 1 by s plus a. Okay, and we know how do we write the region of convergence? Real part of s, a, since this corresponds to a left-sided sequence, just put a less than sign. That is why this formula comes into picture, because we have less than minus 4 altogether. The overall ROC should be on the left hand side of minus 4. Okay, so this particular left-sided sequence helps. It is very much applicable over here. Next, we have 1 by s plus 2 the whole squared. So this formula is applicable to the first term and the third term, because both takes the form s plus a. Okay, now the other Laplace transformation formula that we are supposed to take is minus t into e power minus at into u of minus t, which is nothing but 1 divided by s plus a the whole square. The region of convergence remains the same here. Just the order is to the region of convergence will be the same. Both are left-sided sequence. Nothing else is taken here. And we are not even considering a right-sided sequence just because the ROC is completely less than minus 4. All the terms should correspond to a left-sided sequence. Taking inverse Laplace transform, we will get x of s becomes x of t, which is equal to minus 2 is a constant. So here it should be Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 plus Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 the whole squared plus 3 into Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 4 minus 2 into the inverse of 1 by s plus a is minus e power minus at u of minus t. Minus e power minus 2t into u of minus t. Next it is plus becomes actually Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a the whole squared is minus t e power minus at u of minus t. So it is minus t e power minus at into u of minus t. The last term is again plus 3 into minus e power minus 4t into u of minus t. X of t is equal to 2 times e power minus 2t into u of minus t minus t into e power minus 2t into u of minus t minus 3 times e power minus 4t into u of minus t. So this is your final solution. So if you notice, option B is correct. Option B is your correct answer. 2 times e power minus 2t u of minus t e power minus 2t u of minus t minus 3 times e power minus 4t into u of minus t. All the three corresponds to a left-sided sequence. Just because for the reason that the real part of s is less than minus 4. In diagrammatic form, maybe I can say that in ROC, based on ROC, I can finally say that you have the ROC as sigma j omega, you have -1, -2, -3 and -4. Pole is at -4 and the ROC is on the left hand side of -4. So you will have the ROC on the left hand side of -4. So this is the graphical representation of the given ROC. Understanding the ROC helps you to solve the problem easily. So all the terms associated to this should be a left-sided sequence. U of minus t is a left-sided sequence. U of minus t and minus t. Only then this ROC will get satisfied. Okay. Thank you.